number 3, rotate the figure 180 degrees clockwise. The first thing you should do is write your rule. If I'm going 180 degrees, what rule am I using?
Rule B.
Rule B, which says that my numbers will stay the same, but their signs must change. So here's my first one. 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 3. Okay, I transfer them over, but I change their sign. Okay, I'm going to plot my pre-image in black. So, okay, point M. I start at the origin. Positive 1, up 2. There's my M. N, over 1, up 4. P, over 3, up 3. And then make sure you use some kind of color coordination to make sure it stands out. I'm going to use for my image, I'm going to use the color green. M prime is -1, -2. N prime, -1, -4. P prime, -3, down 3. And then I connect. Next. Over here, I want to rotate the figure 180 degrees counterclockwise. What's the first thing I do? Find my rule. What rule am I using?
Rule B.
Rule B. Huh. Pretty sure I just used a rule B.
Clockwise, so down clockwise.
It does not matter. So this is the same as, it's the same as number 4. Okay, so if you got same as number 3. So if you got number 3 correct, you got number 4 correct. Okay, so this is a spitting image. All right, number 5. I want to go 270 degrees clockwise. What rule?
Rule C.
It is rule C. So X, Y. And if you're a visual person, I would strongly encourage you to write this down. So what is my change?
Y and X makes sign change.
So change of X?
Change of Y.
Oh, change of Y? Change in Y. Okay? Gotta write my points. 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 3. And then my other one, my X stays the same. Is that right on rule 3? X stays the same? Okay, and then my Y changes sign. Are we good there? Now I gotta plot it. This one is the same as the other. So there is my pre-image. And here is the image. Oops. Did I move it? Boom. There's your image. Okay, number 6. First off, I've got to look at what rule I might need. 270 counterclockwise. What do you think?
Rule A.
It is rule A.
Oh, that's pretty easy.
90 degrees CC. So rule C is clockwise. Okay? Well, maybe you plugged your first one right. So let's see. My first one is 2, -1, -4, -3, 3, 2. I'm going to go ahead and plot that one. So I'm at 2, -1. That's my X. Please stop moving. -4, -3. And that is my Y prime. 3, 2.
But I thought that was
Oh, sorry. It's not prime. Good catch. There we go. Better. And then connect it. What do I call this image? It is my pre-image. Okay. Then my rule, X, Y. And what does it become? Is it change in Y? So So the y changes on rule A?
No, it's X that changes. X changes.
So this one stays the same, this one changes? Yes? Alright. So, my y's, I'm going to move over, and they're going to come my x. And then my x moves over, and I'm going to change their sign. Now, this one is a negative 4. So, if I wanted to change the sign, it becomes positive. And then I need to graph them. So, x prime is -1, -2. Y prime, -3 and 4. And then z prime, 2, -3. Okay, make sure that if you did not label on each graph, it's -5 for labeling. If you forgot to put the prime, it's -2 for labeling. If you forgot the prime label per graph. So you could have a total of 20 points off.